Do you want to know how to find the products that these big dropshippers are making millions of dollars on? Keep watching. First, go to TikTok. Then type in TikTok made me buy it. Now you're going to see all of the products that these TikTok gurus have been selling to make 6 figures plus in their store. We'll focus on this one. 2.9 million views and it's a water bottle. So essentially, it's just a water bottle that has markings on it and tells you when to drink. And shout out to this page because they're doing a great job. Let's look at the link in their bio. So they're selling this water bottle for $26.99 USD. Now go to AliExpress. Type in water bottle with measurements and scroll through this page. Does this look familiar to you? Here it is on AliExpress for $3.84 and here it is on their store for $26.99. They're making a net profit of $23.15 on each unit they sell. And no shame to them, they're doing a great job. I really respect their hustle. So next time you want to find a popular product to dropship in your store, follow this method. Follow me for more money making tips.